are going to check the purity of milk. Let's start. Things we need for this test are, of course, we need test tubes and a dropper. A forceps. Actually, the forceps will come in this packet, but for me it did not come, so I took the forceps from my home. You need 2 gloves and a scissors. And last but not least, we need milk in a glass or a bowl. Let's start. All the 4 test tubes are used to check the purity of milk. This first one is MQ2. MQ2 means microbial quality check 2. The second one is used to check urea in the milk. The third one is used to check starch in the milk. And last, the fourth one is used to check soap or detergent in the milk. Let's start with the first one. Let's open all of them. Let's open all. Let's open all the test strips. I have cut it. Guys, we actually don't need gloves. I thought these stuff are not safe for us, but as I have forceps, I am safe. Here I have opened it. There is a small blue color wrapper inside. I will take it out and let's keep it inside here. Now let's take the second one and open this also. Let's open the test for urea strip. I have opened it little bit. Now I will, with the help of forceps, I will take it out. And keep it here. Oh, it fell. Now let's open the third one. Now I will take it out. There you go, I got it finally. Now let's open the fourth one. I will peel it fully this time. Now I will remove it. I have filled the milk in all the test tubes. I will put the caps now. Now I will clean it and show you. I have closed the cap. Now I will shake it. I have shaked it completely. We started the test at 3:25. I will show you after 25 minutes. Until then, I will explain you about all of them. Test for MQ2. Observe change in color of milk. Blue to colorless. After inserting the strip, the color of the milk will turn blue. If the color of the milk or strip changes from blue to colorless within 25 minutes, then the quality of the milk is poor. Let's check if our milk is blue. It is in blue in color, like they said. Test for urea. Observe change in color of milk. Natural milk will have no change. Adulterated milk will be yellow color. Let's check if our milk turned yellow color. Our milk hasn't turned yellow. For now the milk is not yellow. I will check after some time. Now let's go on to the third one. Test for starch. Observe change in color of milk. Adulterated milk. Blue sediments appear in milk. Natural milk, no change. Adulterated milk, color change to blue. Let's check if our milk is whether blue or not. For now it is not blue. I will again check after some time. Test for detergent or soap. Observe change in color of milk. Adulterated milk will be blue in color. Natural milk has no change or it will turn light yellow. Let's check if ours is blue or light yellow, or at least no change. Our soap or detergent test is yellow, light yellow. For now it is light yellow in color. After some time I will check. I am just going to shake it once again because there is some blue color here. I am just going to mix it and then shake it. I am done shaking it, I hope. Now it is 3:36. After 14 minutes I will show. For now they are like this. It has been 25 minutes and now the time is 3:50. Let's check the milk. The first one is blue in color and did not turn transparent. That means there is no microbial quality in this. The second one did not turn yellow. So it is not adulterated and it does not have urea. The third one, however, did not have any blue sediments or any blue color in this. So it has no starch in it and it is pure. The fourth one did not turn blue and it turned into yellow. So it does not have any soap or detergent in it. That means our milk is pure. Yay! Our milk is pure. That's it about the purity of milk. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Bye!